Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Antibody Dry and Wet Lab. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can make the antibody happy region model and how we can predict our model from light chain and heavy chain. So if you are working on specifically antibodies about COVID-19, so you can visit this website, that is COVID-19 antibody database. This website is a very useful, famous about the upcoming new antibodies and their free regions. I'm just gonna give you a little introduction about this website. In this website, you can check your latest antibody sequences about light chain and heavy chain, and you can also see that is antibody, this first showing the antibody name, then how it's bind to and how it neutralize, and which light chain and heavy chain sequence are involved and which specifically germline is involved. It's also tell about CDR3H and CDR3L regions and the specific source of that antibody. So we can choose a light chain and heavy chain sequence for example, and we can make a new model from this light chain and heavy chain. So there is another web program under this COVID antibody database, that is Subspread a Bodybuilder 2. In this program, we can predict our FE model by just giving the light chain and heavy chain sequence to the server, and it will predict your light chain and heavy chain model in a few seconds. I've just scrolled on the web page. You can see there is a light chain and heavy chain sequence box. You just put your first amino acid sequence of light chain and heavy chain, and you just give your job ID. We can give the job ID of 341, and you can select any concern program about the antibody prediction. Here is the four famous tools that work behind antibody prediction, though these are IMGT, Cobalt, Kautia and Martin. And IMGT is a famous one, so we are going to select IMGT. And when we select IMGT, you just click on model and it will start predicting model from our given sequence, and in a few seconds it will start work on our light chain and heavy chain model. And you can see our job is started, and it shows like this. And after when our model has been completed, it will show the job status is finished and your model is this. And you can see in next term it will show this is your light chain sequence, this is your heavy chain sequence. We are working and we are predicting model on the basis of the sequence. As you can see, there is a job status finished, and you just scroll on your web page and you can download your model. You just click on download and you can download your model. There is some error, so we already have downloaded model. I will show you just that model. So there is a 3C41 model. So we just have a look this model in our Discovery Studio visualizer. We can see in any visualizer that you have. So there is our model, predicted model from a bodybuilder 2. So you can see there is a model that we recently predicted from the web server. There is a model. You can visualize your model according to your choice, according to your situation. You can see there is a antibody light chain and heavy chain model. If you want to confirm, you can have a look. There is a light chain and there is a heavy chain and light chain, and you can also see the sequence that you have provided to the web server. There is a light chain and heavy chain sequence. So in the next video we are going to check how there is error and how we can validate this model, and then we will go for next talking and visualization.